Welcome to our channel. Today we how to download Mailchimp audience data for lead gen SEO campaigns, full guide step by step clearly. To download your Mailchimp audience, once you're logged in, navigate to the audience tab on the main dashboard. If you have multiple audiences, select the specific audience you want to download data from. Next, look for the Manage Audience drop-down menu. Click on View Audience to access your audience details. In the Audience Overview, find the Export Audience option. Click on Export Audience to initiate the download process. Mailchimp will prepare a CSV file containing your audience data. This process may take a few moments depending on the size of your audience. Once the file is ready, a download link will appear. Click on the link to download the CSV file to your device. Open the CSV file to review the data. Ensure that you extract relevant fields such as email addresses, names, and any custom tags. This information will be critical for your lead gen SEO campaigns. Now you are ready to utilize the data in your marketing strategy. Consider segmenting the audience based on specific criteria for more targeted efforts. With your Mailchimp audience data in hand, you're equipped to enhance your lead generation tactics. Keep exploring different ways to optimize your campaigns with this valuable information. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.